Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how you can make chili cheese fries at home. So for this dish, I used fries, onions, kidney beans, black and white pepper, garlic, chili peppers, cheddar cheese, chopped tomatoes, butter, beef, parsley, tomato paste, salt, oregano, cumin, anise, and paprika powder. Start with cutting the onions and pepper. Heat a little bit of oil or butter in a pan and cook the onions. Add the peppers and cook them along with the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Grate the garlic and add it to the onions and peppers. Add tomato paste and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 additional minutes. Add beef and seasoning. You want to make sure that the beef is well mixed with the seasoning and with the tomato paste, the onions, and the peppers. The beef has been cooking for a while now, and I am adding some more salt. At this point, I had added the chopped tomatoes, of which I lost the footage, but anyways, I am going to add some more oregano and cumin powder because I absolutely love spices. But if you don't like spicy food, you can just skip this because as you can see, I added quite a lot of oregano. So after cooking it for about 7 to 8 minutes, add the beans. In the meantime, I fried fries. You can also use oven baked fries instead. Put the fries in an oven proof dish. Add chili. Top it with cheese and fresh cilantro. Bake it in the preheated oven of 160 Celsius until the cheese melts. And there you have it. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.